So starting the test drive in this Sonata is a 4-cylinder naturally aspirated 2.5 liter. You wouldn't expect it to be as quick as it is, but it really does have some punch to it, and the 8-speed just does a great job at putting the power where it's supposed to be, whether you're in the normal mode or the sport mode. And still super efficient with it getting 36 miles per gallon on the highway. It sips fuel and it's still relatively quick. Now in terms of the view you get here, I really like just being able to see the gauge cluster, all digital, and it still kind of has an analog feel to it with how the, you know, how the picture is there, having the tire pressure monitors here, all of that. It looks very nice, but still traditional. That's what I'm trying to say. So in sport mode, you let off the brake, give it a little throttle, and it's going. So pretty quick there. And again, for it to be a 4-cylinder, you don't have a turbo. It's just putting out all of that power naturally aspirated. It's pretty impressive. Now I'm gonna try to give it a pull on the interstate if I can. It's not looking like I'll be able to, so I'll probably have to slow down and then give it something. But no one's behind me, so I might be able to get a little space and then get it. Here we go. So yeah, it's quick, especially in sport mode. Very impressive. Give it one more pull here. Yeah, very nice. Gonna put it back in the normal. Try this smart cruise out for a second. So you have the gap adjust for the adaptive cruise control, keeping that distance between myself and the vehicle in front of me, and then I can cut it down to get even closer. And then you have the lane centering technology as well. So it's meant to be more of an assistant, not necessarily a semi-autonomous drive, but it does a great job for what you get, I think. You just have to make sure you turn it off when you're on normal roads, because anywhere it sees two lines, it's going to try and keep you centered there, and it kind of likes to kick back and forth around sharp curves like this. But an impressive engine, and that's why Hyundai keeps putting these 2.5 liters in these Sonatas, because they're great for this car. If you need pickup, you have it, but 95% of the time you're just trying to get the best fuel economy that you can, and that's what this engine is good for. What it's great for, I should say. Now I want to give one more thank you to Hyundai of Cool Springs for allowing me to review the Sonata today. I will leave a link below in the description, but if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home or any new vehicle, click on that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But all in all, I mean, we still have quite a few competitors for the Sonata. I feel like it's always slept on compared to the Camry and Accord, but you have the Sonata, again, the Camry, Accord, you still have the Malibu. But for the most part, four-door cars, budget four-door cars, are really, they're mostly made by the Asian manufacturers, and then you do have, again, the Chevy Malibu that's mostly meant as a commercial vehicle, but also can be used for those commuters that just want a car still. Now, one thing that I can't say enough is I'm very proud of Hyundai for not going with the CVT in this car, keeping it an 8-speed automatic. And that's really what makes this a major competitor for the Camry, with pretty much the same powertrain option there. Unless you go up like the N-Line and then the hybrid, but for the money, great car, really great car. So this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Hyundai Sonata SEL Convenience.